Welcome, guys. All right, hey y'all, we are absolutely just wrapping it. Hey guys, we're here in New Orleans, and this week's episode is all about Jill and I going around New Orleans and trying some really good food here. And we're going to also be reaching out and going by and seeing a few of our clients, doing some teaching. And man, even Libby is going to go get to try an actual pastry. They have actually a dog. Can you believe it? They have a dog place for dogs to get pastries. So we're going to be going over there doing that this week here in New Orleans. So come on, let's go. Hey y'all, we are downtown in New Orleans right now, and we're going to try out Daisy Dukes and see what type of food they have. So we're going to be having fun down here for the next few days here in New Orleans. So we're going to go check this out.
Tell me what you think.
All right. We just got through eating over at Daisy Duke's restaurant, and I had Jill and I both actually had a poor boy, shrimp poor boy sandwich, and I had gumbo, and it was absolutely delicious. If I had to rate that restaurant, I'd probably give it a 5. So it was really good. Jill, what do you think about Daisy Duke's?
A 4. The shrimp po' boy was not as good as I've had, but the red beans were delicious. So for that, I gave it a 4.
So we're heading over to the Riverwalk, and we're trying to find this place to get some of these things
Beignets.
that you call beignets. I've only had them once, but they were delicious, and I have probably already have walked at least 7 to 12 blocks to get to this thing, so they better be good.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
See the steam coming out.
That's hot.
Are they good?
Oh my God. That is so good.
These things right here are amazing. They're hot, and they're delicious. I could do this again tomorrow.
Cafe beignet was a success.
They were bomb.
The bomb.
I could just spend the night here. They were well worth the 18
Well, I
blocks.
guess so. He got 12.
I did.
So we just got a beignet at Cafe Beignet, and oh my gosh, if you ever come to New Orleans, you have got to get one. It was, the powdered sugar is amazing. You are drenched in powdered sugar after you eat it. I will give it, out of 5 stars, I give it 10. So you have to go to Cafe Beignet in downtown New Orleans.
So I would actually rate it also a 12. If I could give it a ranking of a 12, 12 was absolutely off the hook, so that was great. Hey, we're actually going to be heading to Oklahoma, to the great state of, state of Oklahoma. So I tell you what, do me a favor, if you will subscribe below and ring the bell. Let me know what restaurants that Jill and I need to try when we get to Oklahoma. Don't know yet. I just know it's going to be Oklahoma. Hopefully it's maybe Tulsa or Oklahoma City, but anyway, we're heading to Oklahoma. Tell me some good restaurants to go to. Hey y'all, we are actually at the Southern Paws here in New Orleans. It's actually a store that is created for dogs like Libby. So Jill and I brought her out to be able to get a treat. She's been through a whole lot in the last 5 to 6 weeks. So we wanted to actually just give her a little bit of a treat today. So we're in Southern Paws checking this out.
What you think? Are you for real? Did we just waste money on it?
How much was it? She's not
liking that.
So we just tried the peanut butter, and she wasn't necessarily crazy about it. So we're gonna get something else and give her a try.
Libby, what you think about that? Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, she liked that.
good girl. Okay. Now, this is what she likes, the beef treats. She's never been one to really care for sweets, but she loves the meat. She is a meat girl. So the beef treats won.
All right, guys, we are actually in the truck now. We're getting ready to head over to New Works Roofing Contractor here in New Orleans. These guys are just totally awesome. We met them at the crew. They actually just been great people. So we're going to go to their location today, and we're going to help transform some of their processes and some of the things that they do in business. So we're super stoked about going and being with them today. Jill, what do you think about them? Are you excited about me? They're pretty cool people,
yeah,
right?
They are. They fed us all, speaking of all the people from JobNimbus that came down to win the storm, they fed us, they had a big crawfish bowl for us, for those of you that like that. It was amazing. They are so kind, so just welcoming people, and we're excited to go see them.
That's awesome. All right, guys, let's go. So everybody knows, being here today has been so cool because we've talked a little bit about structure in terms of organizations, as far as having org charts. We've talked about hiring processes. We've talked about a lot of things. So it's so cool. What was your biggest takeaway that you felt like that you got out of us being here today with you?
I think one of our biggest takeaways was identifying some business structure that we need to focus in on what we need the most to kind of implement now, but also designing the software around our daily production so that we can become more efficient as far as the production folders and setting up JobNimbus and helping us to kind of refine our processes to make us more efficient and profitable. But thank you very much for coming out.
Thank you so much, man.
All right. Absolutely.
Thanks, guys. Hey y'all, so we are absolutely wrapping up New Orleans. It has been a great experience here in the New Orleans area. We have actually tried some wonderful food. We have actually met some really cool people, and just was able to work with some of the best customers in the world. So this concludes this episode. We'll be seeing you on the next episode. Talk to you soon. I'm out.